Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you all. Your smile and kindness make my day special. Okay, my dear audience, in this presentation we will discuss about report survey what will student vocational high school 1 Cianjur do after they graduate. But before we started, let me talk about myself a little bit. People know me as Jidan Ainul Mutakin, but you can call me Jidan. I was born on 7 March 204 on beautiful city called Ciamis. I came from class 12 RPL 1 of Vocational High School 1 Cianjur. So, what is Vocational High School? In Vocational High School, students learn skills that prepare them to work in particular field after they graduate from high school. But they are not just can go to focus on career, but so many options for them. They can continue study to college, or even some of them get married. Then I made this survey on Google Form about what they will do after graduate. Then there are 12 participants, and there are my classmates. So there are 5 questions on my survey, and each question is following 2 options. So for the first question, what will you do after graduate? The option A is work in a company, and the option B is study at university. And the percentage of students who choose option A are 30%, and the percentage of students who choose option B are 70%. For the second question, where you would like to work? For the option A is work in a private company, and for the option B is work in a government office. And the percentage of students who choose option A are 90%, and the percentage of students who choose option B are 10%. Questions number 3, what will you do if you don't get the job? For the option A is apply for other jobs over and over again, and the option B is be an entrepreneur. The percentage of students who choose option A are 25%, and the percentage of the students who choose option B are 75%. Fourth question, what kind of job would you prefer to have? Option A is any job available, and option B is a job that suits my qualification. The percentage of students who choose option A are 20%, and the percentage of students who choose option B are 80%. For the last question, how would you apply for a job? And option A is come to company directly, and option B is send an application letter by email or post. The percentage of students who choose option A are 40%, and the percentage of students who choose option B are 60%. This is a conclusion from my report survey. What will students on Vocational High School 1 Cianjur do after they graduate? For question 1, most of students want to continue their study to a college or university rather than work. For question 2, most of students prefer work in a private company than government office. For the question 3, most of students will try to be an entrepreneur if didn't get a job. For the question 4, most of students prefer a job that suits their qualification rather than any job that available. For the last question, most of students prefer send application letter by email rather than come to the company directly. So that's all my presentation for today. I would like to say thank you to all of you. You are great audience, as great as Indonesian landscape. Thank you again. I hope we can meet on the other time. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.